Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today I am with the Smartron T phone. So this is launched after the T book which was recently announced. So T book was a laptop, this is a smartphone. Let's check it out what it comes with and what it has to offer. Yeah. As far as the device is concerned, it is light, it is not too heavy. You can see the what are the specification of the device. I will wrap it up very soon. It has octa-core Snapdragon 810, display is 5.5 inch full HD display, RAM is 4 GB, 64 GB internal storage, expandable up to 128 GB. It has a battery of 3000 mAh, runs on Android Marshmallow 6.0. You can see the speakers down below. Micro USB charging slot is also in the down, and in the back you are getting a 13 megapixel camera with dual tone LED flash, and in the front you are getting a 4 megapixel camera. It has a 5.5 inch full HD AMOLED display, but still I don't find like this. There is a power button, volume rocker key on the top. You are getting a 3.5 inch jack. There is a dual hybrid SIM card slot which lets you to put the SIM. It is a unibody smartphone, and as you can see, the display quality is not up to the mark in the full brightness in the sunlight. It can't reproduce the display so much properly what I was expecting. Overall, what my first thought of the device is that it could be much better, but still we can't hope. It comes with the 4 colors. There is a black, there is a grey, there is a pink, and this is the orange. So the colors are little weird. There is a noise cancellation mic at the back, and other than that, in the front you are getting one more noise cancellation mic. These are the mics. There is a bottom, you are getting a primary mic. Now going to the device, the software OS is Android 6.0 Marshmallow, which is a stock Android as you can see, and Hungama is the only app which you will find as the preloaded one. And skipping those parts, here you can see I was trying some music, the apps running on, and putting it okay here. So it needs a Wi-Fi setting. Let me skip that part, and going inside we will check it out other apps right now. So whatever apps you are checking out, they all are the stock Android apps. Going to the camera mode, the camera mode is basic Google camera. It doesn't come with too much options. Going to there are a few things. You can put the SDR mode. There are a few more options. So there is scene mode, store location mode, DSLR, picture quality, you can change them, and here you can see it is little bit laggy, and I didn't found the camera app too much sophisticated and smoothly running. And here you can see there is a color effect, saturation, all are gone. I don't know why, because of the maybe the SDR mode is on. There is a ISO level, red eye reduction, so few things are there. Skipping that part, from the camera app we will go and check out the photos what are coming. So in the photos, as I told you, the output is average, it's not too much up to the expectation. Skipping to this part, you can see the first image was taken by zooming the camera, but this is what the normal. The output color is not too much crisp, not too much attractive. The front camera taken out little reddish. I'm not too much red like the camera is showing right now, but still I can't say anything. Commenting on that will be not good, because this is I don't think this is a retail unit, or we are not testing the device in the normal conditions. So as you can see, the Android version is 6.0.1 running on Marshmallow. Skipping that part, going back, and as you can see, the T phone, the model number is T5511, and here we will go to the storage to check out the storage of the device. This is the memory. So 1 GB you are getting a free memory. 1 GB is used out of 4 GB of memory. So there you can see it has a 64 GB of storage, where 53 GB is free. Out of 1 GB is being used. This is the cloud storage. So T phone is giving unlimited cloud storage. So this is all about the T phone. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.